Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make beef oxtail soup. First, prepare about 3 pounds of oxtail by cleaning and trimming any excess fat. Season generously with salt and black pepper. Next, in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, brown the oxtail pieces on all sides over medium-high heat. This crucial step develops deep, rich flavors that are essential for a truly delicious soup. Ensure each piece has a beautiful, caramelized crust before moving on. Once the oxtail is beautifully browned, it's time to build the broth. Deglaze the pot with a splash of water or red wine, scraping up any flavorful bits from the bottom. Then, add 8 cups of quality beef broth, along with your aromatic vegetables, chopped onions, carrots, celery, and several whole garlic cloves. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently for at least 3 hours or until the oxtail is fork tender. After the oxtail has simmered to perfection, carefully remove the meat from the bones and shred it, discarding any bones or large pieces of fat. Return the shredded meat to the pot. Now, it's time to add your final vegetables, such as diced potatoes and slices of Dakin radish. Continue to simmer for about 20 minutes or until these vegetables are tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a dash of fish sauce for extra depth. Your rich and comforting beef oxtail soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle generous portions into bowls, making sure each serving gets plenty of tender oxtail and vegetables. Garnish with fresh chopped scallions and a sprinkle of cilantro for a vibrant finish. This hearty soup pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed white rice or some crusty bread to soak up all that delicious broth. For more great cooking tips and to explore other amazing deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. We hope you savor every spoonful of this incredible dish.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.